Today we are going to talk about our project, which is automatic identification of railway rolling stock using RFID and IoT technology, which was our summer internship project. So let's get started. First of all, we developed the code in Aviar Studio, which we did in embedded C language, and this code was developed under Aviar Studio. Now let's talk about some hardware. So this is our development board, which have Atmega 16 microcontroller chip, which is the brain of this entire system. It have 4 ports, namely A, B, C and D. On every ports we have some additional modules attached which will be helpful in our program, such as on B, we have this burner programmer which is used to upload code in this Atmega chip. Then at port C we have our reader module through which we scan the card on the reader. At port D, we have our GSM, which is used to send text SMS message to our phone. So as you can see on our display, we have got GIMS, our college name, and welcome to Indian Railways. Now we'll give additional power to our reader module and our GSM module. Rest of the things operate at 5 volt, but this operate at 9 and 12 volt. So we give additional power through our adapter. Now, as you can see, we scanned the card. The details came down here, Vande Bharat Express, and now with the help of GSM, the message will be also delivered to our phone. So you can see here. As you can see, it is clearly written Vande Bharat Express crossing. So this was our final year project.